Hello, my name is Cotton Blue, and this is Purple Cotton. Hello, I am Cotton Blue. Hello, I am Cotton Purple, and we are the Cotton Blue Squad, and we're playing this game. This game we're playing Roblox. We're playing Roblox, and this is the boat that I made. I made a pototoy. Now get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside pototoy. Sit. Sit. Pototoy. Sit. Sabi mo Roblox. Let's launch the boat. Okay, ready or not? Here we go. Pototoy. You like pototoy, guys? Oh my, yeah. Oh my, yeah. Pototoy. Okay, sorry. Okay. Why can't I launch the boat? Oh, no. Welcome to the Totoy.